Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn MCQ questions fast. We'll dive straight into effective strategies. First, always read the question thoroughly before even glancing at the answer options. This helps you understand what's truly being asked. Next, practice eliminating the most obviously wrong answers. This significantly increases your chances of selecting the correct one. Finally, pay close attention to keywords and phrases within the question itself. They often provide crucial clues. Active recall is a powerful method for solidifying your knowledge. Try making flashcards where you write a question on one side and the answer on the other. Instead of just rereading your notes, actively try to recall the information. This process strengthens your memory pathways. Regular self-testing, even for just 10 to 15 minutes, can dramatically improve your retention and speed when answering multiple-choice questions. Many multiple-choice questions include distractors, which are plausible but incorrect answer options. Learning to identify these is key. Pay close attention to subtle differences between very similar choices. Often, one word makes an option incorrect. Trust your initial instinct unless you have a strong reason to change your answer. Overthinking can sometimes lead you away from the correct choice, so be confident in your first assessment. Consistent practice is essential for mastering multiple-choice questions. Seek out practice questions from different textbooks, online resources, and past exams. After completing a set, thoroughly review all your answers, especially the incorrect ones. Understanding why you made a mistake is more valuable than just knowing the right answer. Tracking your progress helps you pinpoint weak areas, allowing you to focus your study efforts effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.